17-year-old attacked, dragged from home and shot dead in St. James. 14-year-old St. Elizabeth girl suffers severe burns after stove explodes. 2 people died from injuries sustained in motor vehicle crash on Draxall Main Road in St. Anne on Saturday morning. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 17-year-old male was shot dead by unknown assailants at his home in Green Pond, St. James on Saturday, June 17. He has been identified as Daniel Sawyers, otherwise called Butty and Seal. Reports from the Montego Bay police are that about 2 a.m., armed men invaded Sawyers' home. They reportedly took him from the house and opened gunfire, hitting him multiple times. The police were summoned and Sawyers was found lying in the yard with gunshot wounds. He was pronounced dead at hospital. Investigations continue. A 14-year-old girl is in critical condition after suffering burns to 75% of her body. According to reports, about 5:30 Friday morning, the girl was injured when the stove she was using exploded. The explosion also caused extensive damage to the house. She was rushed to the Black River Hospital, where she was admitted in serious condition. Hours later, she was transported to the University Hospital of the West Indies in Kingston for further treatment. 2 people died from injuries sustained in a motor vehicle crash on the Draxall Main Road in St. Anne on Saturday morning. Dead are 49-year-old Gregory John of Lilyfield Road, Bamboo in the parish, and an unidentified woman. Police report that John and the woman were involved in a crash around 12:10 a.m. When the police and the fire brigade arrived on the scene, John and the woman were taken to hospital where they were pronounced dead.